I am using same batter to make sweet coconut pancake also. Earlier I show you how to make the pancake with hot filling. Now I am going to show you how to make sweet coconut filling. After this we'll make the pancake also. Same batter only I am using for this also. For sweet coconut we need 4-5 tablespoons of coconut, means 100 grams of coconut and 50 grams of sugar and 1 clove, cinnamon and cardamom, and little salt also need. Now we'll see how to make that. First we caramelizing the sugar. Here's the caramelized sugar. Now we'll add little water to this. And we'll add pinch of salt to this and clove, cinnamon, after that add the sugar also. Stir it well until it's becoming a syrup. When like this bubbles all coming time, add the coconut. And the sugar all must be dissolved in this. Keep it in low flame. And now we'll add the coconut oil. We'll add the coconut oil. Mix it well. You can taste and taste the sugar now. Add little rice flour and mix it. Then it will come in a good consistency without water. Now we'll off this. We'll turn off the fire. This is the correct This is the correct consistency. We'll put into a bowl the sweet coconut and let it cool for a little while, and clean those clove, cardamom and cinnamon. Oil the pan Same batter only we are using. Early we made for early we use the pancake we made with the spicy filling. Same batter only we are using to make pancake also, sweet pancake also. Sweet coconut pancake also making the same batter. On the pan and wipe this. Keep few seconds till it be all yellow. Till it be all in yellow color. Yeah. Now okay. Then remove this. We'll make another one. All the time wipe the oil the pan from a tissue. Keep little from this. And roll it. And two sides do like this. Here, second one will remove and always oil this pan. Then you can easy to remove the pancake. Use a non-stick pan to make pancake. Then it is not sticking in the pan. Always keep in mind this sweet milk coconut and rolling like this. Here's my pancake. This is very tasty. You see. You can see very soft and very delicious. If you like this video, you comment me, subscribe me and share this video. Here's the pancake. This is very soft and very delicious. This is good for vegetarian and non-vegetarian because we are not using even an egg or even animal any fats, extra butter like that. Okay, thank you for watching.